Hello, people. Hello, people. We are back. Trading live. This is not. This is not fugazi. This is real life trading. Real life trading. We're not doing games. Apparently, we delayed a little bit because the market gave us a beautiful trade. And guess what? We went for it. That's what we do. When the market presents us an opportunity, we go for it, boy. So we got already 2 hours from here. Beautiful. We saw this coming. And I was all juiced up. As soon as price came here, I was like, boy. Yup. Equilibrium levels. This is equilibrium levels. Some of you might not have a clue what these lines are. You might be like, what the hell? How am I calling it exactly like that? Exactly. The market went to our levels and boom, it gave us some money. Right now, we are already green. We are waiting to see what story the market tells. We are waiting for things to play out. All right. I wasn't anticipating this to happen this early. That's the first opportunity that came. Boy, I went right for it. So let's wait. Let's see what happened. Let's let the market cook. Let's let the market give us the next opportunity. At the moment, nothing is clear to me here. I need to see pressure. I need to see the market set pressure. We are looking for the pressure zone. There is no clear pressure zone at the moment. So we're not going to pull any trigger, all right? We're not pulling any trigger. We got to be patient. If you can't be patient, what the hell are you doing? If you can't be patient, you shouldn't be trading. Some of you can't even sit for 5 minutes. How do you imagine to become a good trader? Trading is about self-mastery. If you can't master yourself, boy, you got no business in the market. Go take care of yourself first before you come to this market. This market is not for people that are impulsive driven. This is the market for people that have submitted themselves and have attained a certain level of self-mastery. Boy, oh boy, the market seems like they wanted to give us more of our back. But you know your boy, I couldn't wait. I was just like, take me out. Give me my money. Let me go. Just give me my money. Let me go. I took my money. I don't care what they do. They like they go north. They like they go south. But I make sure I took my money. All right. Let's see what happens. Nothing that catches the eye yet. Retail traders are in the ocean now. We are snipers. We don't fumble. We are snipers. We're not going to do anything. We got to wait. Nothing is clear yet. Couple of things we want to see. I'm not seeing any of them. That being said, it seems like the market makers, they are plotting a twist that I cannot read. And the way we trade, we try to read the invisible hands that is in the market. We try to see the invisible play. What are they trying to do? But right now, the way they are playing, they're ready to trade me off the curve. I mean, the market makers have thrown me off the curve. I don't know what the clue is happening right now, and that is why I can't do anything. Because they started, it's almost like two people are fighting, right? Off the gate, boom. They went in for a knockout. They didn't start slow and give any jab to kind of like, I was waiting for them, for the market makers to kind of give me a jab, give me some jab, to give me some read so I can get some feel for what they're trying to do. But that is not what happened. They went straight up for a knockout. I'm wondering why. I'm wondering why the market makers went straight for a knockout. As soon as the market opened, they went straight for this knockout. Even though it was still part of our playbook, we made money out of it, but it was too fast. But because of that, now it put us in a position where we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We can't be in a hurry. We can't do anything else. We just gotta sit in our hands. We need the market makers to create a predictable story. The story right now is not predictable. And it's making me wondering what led to this quick movement to the downside. What causes that? What happened for that to happen? Why did that happen? Let me check at the calendar. Let's see if we have anything, any news event that might be responsible for what we are saying, because I'm pissed off that the market makers are trying to pull the trick on me. They are playing a plot twist. They are plotting something interesting. They are plotting something kinda entertaining. All right. I just want to check if there is something that I am not aware of that is happening. Because you have to understand, nothing's in the market happen arbitrarily. Everything is interconnected. When something happened, what was the precursor? What led to that event to happen? That is how you got to see the market. You can't just come here and you feel like, no, things are just random. No, everything is orchestrated, all right? So when something happens that is not within the realm of understanding, it gives me time to think and to be like, you know what? What are they trying to do? Apparently, there is no news event that could have led to this abrupt and sudden knockout punch that the market maker gave. There is no apparent reason for this sudden knockout punch. I didn't see why that punch happened, but that punch, it took me out of my game plan. And now I have to rethink things over. You know what I'm saying? I have to rethink things over. I can't be in a rush right now. The market maker took me out of my plan. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient. I gotta re-strategize. I gotta look for better ways to confront them. So that is gonna require us all to be patient. Let's see. Are they trying to do something beautiful? Let's see. We got time. We got 30 more minutes. We got an hour. We got an hour for the story to become clearer. We need the market makers to plot the story. We need them to plot the story. The story right now is not sufficient enough to make a reasonable trading decision. And that is what I'm trying to tell you. You gotta be patient and let the market show its hands. Right now, the market has given me a different hand. And it threw me off curve. I wasn't expecting that. Guess what? Right now it's time to balance. It's time to settle in and wait. And wait. You gotta wait, boys and girls. You gotta wait. I'm telling you, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Wait. Are we up to something? Is the market trying to show me something? Is the market trying to show me something? Are you telling me this is a zone? Are you telling me that is a pressure zone? Let's see what happened. Let's look at what happened. It seems like the market is trying to give us a read, right? We got the first trade in profit, but we're waiting for the market to give us more information, right? Every chart tells a story, and you have to know what story interests you in the market. Nothing is random. Everything is orchestrated. There is something that happens. Right now, the story is not clear. We are 1 hour into the Asia market. I need more information. If you see all the line, we're plotting the line, the market respect the line, right? This was our first trade. The market just opened, boom, it went to our first trade. We got into our beautiful. That was quick. I wasn't expecting that to happen quick, but that was really quick. That was the first trade, but we are waiting for the real trade to happen. But for that to happen, we need a couple of things to happen. We need the market to create an imbalance. We need the market to create a breakout. We need the market to create a rebalance. And that is where we'll go for an entry. Those are no foreign concept, but those are market mechanics, and that is how we trade. There is an imbalance that has to be created. The imbalance is a way for the market makers to bring retail traders into the scene. It's a way for them to draw liquidity. And for them to draw liquidity, they have to play within the language that is understood by retail traders. Retail traders, they understand ranges. When price goes up, it comes down, it forms a range. That is a setup. The market makers know, the retail traders, they're going to come in there. Either they are trying to short at resistance, or they are trying to long at support, or they're trying to buy a breakout. That is when the story becomes juicy. But we got to see that. When that happened, the market maker has created a scene to draw in participants. And the participants are the retail traders because he has to use them as liquidity. Once that event is painted out, that is step one in the way we analyze our story. From there, we're going to wait for the breakout. From the breakout, then now we can start looking for what price action is doing to go for an entry. It's beautiful to see how it happens, but if you watch, you're going to see it. It happens every day. Some days it might not happen, but it happens for the most part because we trade according to market mechanics. All right? The way the market was engineered. It has nothing to do with buy and sell. No, it has to do with the engineering of the market. Right? So, I mean, it's a whole lot of things. Let me know where you're watching from. Please tell me where you're watching from. Like and subscribe. We are just new. I've been trading for 8 years, but I started streaming like probably a couple of weeks ago, just trying to build a community of like-minded traders and share some of this concept. Some of this concept is not the average retail concept that it is out there. I know ICT teach some certain smart money concept, but there are different layers to it, right? So there are different layers to it. I'm trying to put some of the ideas out there and so we can all be better as traders, you know? The market makers, they are not our friends. If we can help each other, that is a win, right? Please subscribe. Let me know where you're watching from. What are you trading? What do you think is happening in this market right now? Do you think price is going to go up? Do you think price is going to go down? Talk to me. Subscribe. All right. Let me see. Okay. It looks like I'm liking what is happening. I'm liking what is happening. This might be the support area instead. I'm liking what is happening. Let me explain what is likely to happen. I like it. I like it. I like what is happening. The market is giving me, revealing its hands, and that is enjoyable. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Steady hand, steady hand. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Are we in this? Is that the pressure zone? Is that what it is? Let's put our analytic mind. Let's put our analytic mind. If price goes there, comes back, give me back. Comes back. Goes back. Then comes back. And boom. That will be beautiful. That will be beautiful. If that happens, then that will be beautiful. So, or the market can do this. Boom. There we go. Let's see. Let's watch it play out. Don't tell me, oh Anna, you were right. Anna, you were right. You call it happened exactly like you said. Ain't no magician. I just study patterns. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the moment where you take your Sit and let the market talk to you. You don't do nothing stupid. This is not time to do stupid people. Guess what? The people that are providing liquidity for in the market now, they're doing a whole lot of stupid things. But since we are not providing liquidity, we are the liquidity hunters. You are either providing liquidity or you are the liquidity hunter. And guess what? We decided to be the liquidity hunter. And that is why we are not in the trap. We are not part of the liquidity grab and the pressure that is being building. Pressure is being built right now. But we're not part of it. We're going to sit back and relax and have a good time and let the market come to us. Because we are that elite and skilled at what we do, brother. I can't help it. I can't. I just can't help myself. Boys and girls, what the hell is happening? The market is sitting in his hands, doing absolutely to the casuals. It's like nothing is happening. But guess what? A lot of things are happening right now. This is when the real market is happening. Institutions are accumulating. The market makers are setting the scene. They are painting the picture. They are putting the canvas. They are setting the environment for them to pulling the trigger. That is what they're doing. This is the precursor for every move that is going to happen. And they're going to take the time to paint it, to lure you in, to get you pissed up, to get you frustrated. And eventually they will do what they've always wanted to do. But they will not do it unless they get you, make you bleed. For some reason, they like to see you bleed. It's like the market makers. They are some bloodthirsty people. Interesting. Let's see. Right now, what is happening to the average mind is almost like nothing is happening, right? But this is when the real market is happening. The market is creating an environment to kind of bring a lot of retail traders in. This is like a setup. It's a setup. Very, very important. As a matter of fact, if there is no range, I don't get in a trade. The range is important for me to know that the market has accumulated some form of liquidity. From there, we can go into the second chapter of the story. It's a story. Every chapter has to be completed before you go to the next chapter. There are pressure. The market is accumulating pressure. Retail traders are coming in. Institutions are coming in. They have to trade within this range for some time before the real moves happen. Right? And the more they trade in the range, the more we want to say it means they build enough pressure. And if you often notice, after the market has traded in a range, there's going to be a breakout, like a huge breakout. And that is what we want to see. When we see that, we are like, there we go. There we go. And everything start clicking, you know. Hopefully, we're going to see everything plays out today as it normally does. Right now, I love this. I love this. But I just want it to be a lot more expansive. I don't want this range is too tight. I would have preferred a more range around this area. Right? Once that happened, boom! We can know the market is up to give us some bacon, some bacon. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. We get 7 minutes to the hour. 7 minutes to the hour. What the hell is going on? 7 minutes to the hour. Is the market telling me? You know, sometimes you always have to think in real time. Is the market trying to tell me they are comfortable considering that area? No. They are comfortable considering that area as the range. Then what happens to this? Not an easy rate today. Not an easy rate. Not an easy rate. I'll tell you that. Not an easy rate. A 3p range? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? The market is doing just a 3p range? No. No. I need more. I need more. I need more. I need more data. The market is giving me less information. I need more information. And that's what people don't understand. I just need more information to be able to plot what I'm going to do. Today, the market is not giving us as much as we want. So I got to be patient. I got to be patient. You know, added to the fact that we already make 2R. We already make 2R for the start. That was quick. Right now, we are just waiting for the market to give us more information. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let me know where you're watching from. I stream every day from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, and I trade futures as well from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Futures and Forex, I trade those too. And I just started streaming, but I've been trading for a minute. We make money almost every day. Almost every day, bro. The way we be calling this thing out, we be calling it out. You watch and see. The market respects our line, our equilibrium levels. The market respects because we understand market mechanics. We try to see things. We try to understand what the plot twist is. We don't just go with price action and all that good stuff. We try to do, what is the market maker doing? What kind of business are they in? What is the interest of the market makers? They're in a business. What kind of business are they in? We are traders who are in a business too. But our business is a directional business. We make money when we anticipate price to go up and it goes up. And we lost money when if we say price is going to go up, it goes down. But the market makers, they don't make money when price goes up or when price goes down. They make money through spread. But what they are more concerned about, they are more concerned about managing risks. And for them to manage risks, they have to make sure everything happens in a state of equilibrium. They don't want to have too many longs and they don't want to have too many sells. They just want to have it in the middle. They want to be in the state of neutrality. Because the ultimate goal is to be in the state of neutrality when it comes to the direction of the market, that helps us now to be able to identify certain predictable levels. Man, I'm saying a lot of things. But I'm saying a lot of things. But it might sound like, oh, what is this guy talking about? This is crazy and all that. But you watch. You watch it. Right now, this is a bait. A lot of retail traders, they are doing a lot of things right now. But that's not what the pro does. The pro don't do anything at the moment. The pros sit and wait. Just sit and wait. That's it. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe wherever you're watching from. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you're getting value from everything I'm sharing. Or it sounds like this guy, what is he talking about? This is crazy. I've never heard of this. If you are there, just tell me what you don't understand and I will gladly help you to see what I'm saying. The fact everybody is saying something does not make it right. On the contrary, with the headsman think, when something becomes too common, you don't want to be there. You don't want to be in that boat. The whole ICT concept and all those things, you don't want to be in that boat. That is not the real Holy Grail. The real Holy Grail is not when everybody's doing it. Oh, everybody's talking about it. Oh, this is how everybody is trading. What the hell? What the hell? We don't want to be like everybody. We don't want to trade like everybody. Come on. Oh boy, oh boy. Are we seeing something? Is the market giving us something? Alrighty. Interesting. Maybe it's just happened. Maybe something happened, but it did not happen just as we want it to happen. Maybe that is what happened. Maybe we gotta see things differently. Maybe the market is showing us something different. Maybe the breakout might not be too crazy, too outlandish the way we want it to. But guess what? If it's not clear to me, we're not gonna take any trade. It's that simple. If it's not clear, if I have just a little bit doubt in my mind in terms of what the market is trying to do, I'm not going to pull in the trigger. I'm not going to pull it. I'm not doing guesswork. We are precision, discipline, and patience. We are precise, we are disciplined, we are patient, we are laser focused. The way we trade. There we go. What are they trying to tell me? What is the market trying to tell me? Okay. Are we establishing that area as the range? Is it what we have established? Is that the range, or is there gonna be another range? Is that the range that has been established? Is that what it is? I don't know. I'm a little bit perplexed right now. I can't really tell what is gonna happen. I'm gonna be quite honest with you. I can't really tell. I wish I just knew. But I don't know. I'm just in the middle of the ocean. I'm just thinking. I am just perplexed. What the hell is going on? Why is the market making a lot of confusing movement? I thought this was just gonna be straight up easy. Oh boy, oh boy. What is going on right now? What is going on right now? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. Let it cook. Is that it, or is that it? Is that him that is to come, or should we wait for somebody else? Is that the breakout we've been waiting for? Or should we wait for the real breakout? Is that what it is? Or in? Is that it, or is not it? Is that it, or is not it? Talk to me. Okay. That's interesting. That's the resistance level. I love it. I want that. I want that to be the resistance level. Come on. Give that to me. Give the resistance level to me. Is that a resistance level? Is that a resistance level? I want that to be the resistance level. I really want it to be that. Don't break out yet. It's not time yet. We got 30 more minutes. We got 40 more minutes. You got time. You got time to play out. You got time to do whatever shenanigan you want to do. But I'm not going to be a liquidity provider to you. I'm not just going to be that. I'm going to be every other thing else, but I'm not going to be a liquidity provider in this market. Because you got two options. You either a liquidity provider or you're a liquidity hunter. I have decided to be a liquidity hunter any day, anytime. And that is why we are sitting very, very calm and waiting for the market to come to us. No impulsive decision, no reckless move, no crazy stuff. Patience, precision, discipline. Look at that. I love to see it now. A lot of people might be like, oh, what is happening? I can't understand it. I thought the market was going to go up, but the market is so random. It goes up and it goes down. Boo, it's not. Everything has been engineered. But yeah, if your mind is not configured for it, you can't see it. But I can't. I love to see that. I love to see what is happening right now. I love it. The pressure is being built. I love to see it. The market is doing exactly what it ought to do. Exactly. Retail traders are being trapped. They are being bamboozled. They are being confused. They are being dissuaded. They are almost shitting in their pants right now. They are almost like, oh, dear God, what is going on? Okay. Interesting. We love to see that. But now you're giving us a double jab. This market today is like it's like a high level chess. It's a high level chess. What is happening today? I'm gonna tell you, it's not a clear read. Today is a high level chess. The market is not giving its hand that easy. It's almost like they be telling me, Arnold, you gotta sweat for this shit today. We ain't gonna get it to you easy. You think we're gonna give it to you easy? We're not gonna give it to you easy. Okay? Okay? I love to see that. I love to see that. I love to see that. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. You don't want to stop now. No, just keep going. Keep going. Keep going, price. Keep going. Take it further. Take it further. Don't stop right there. Oh, the retail traders, they are happy. Oh, price is going up. Oh, we call this is going to go up. Guess what? I'm not going to conclude. On the contrary, I think this is going to come down. But what do I know? I don't know shit. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Did we miss it? Did we miss it? No. I'm calm. Let it work. Let price work. Let price work. I'm not convinced this is the move. I'm not convinced this is the move. Let it work. Let it work. We ain't gonna chase it. We ain't gonna do anything stupid. Let it work. Let it work. All right. Keep working. Keep working. This ain't what we want to see. This is not what we want to see. Let it work. Let it work. Don't stop it. Don't try to rush it. Don't force it. All right. It's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. You look exactly what we say. We said once the market establish a range in this area, we're expecting to see price go this way, then come down, and apparently that's what we are seeing. Hello? Hello? Yes, speaking. Great. Ma'am, come on now. You're calling me at 7 p.m. Come on, ma'am. Come on. Come on. Wow, look at that. We love to say it. We're not panicking. Oh, the market is going up. Oh, we're so excited. Oh, it feels so sad to see how the market makers be literally slapping people to their face and grabbing their money, their hard-earned money. That makes me sick. I hate this market. I don't like what they do to y'all. Y'all thought it was gonna go up, but your boy Arnold tried to warn you. Your boy Arnold tried to warn you. Be like, you know what? I'm not too sure that is an uptrend. I'm not too sure. Even though the market is not trying to give me a clear read in terms of what is happening, but I'm like, you know what? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I just need the market to give me something to work with. They're not willing to give me a whole lot right now. And that pisses me off. It pisses me off. I'm not too happy with the market makers. They're concealing everything from me today. Nothing is going according to the books. And that is the interesting part of it. Because the market, there's nothing as a market. It gives you different things to work with every day. Nothing is going to be the same all the freaking time. So, but it keeps you sharp. It makes you to be more analytical, to learn to adjust in a real market and in real time. Let's look. Let's see. We are not going to do anything stupid. We're not. We just not gonna do anything stupid. We gotta wait. Nothing is clear yet. Nothing is clear yet. Let's see. Let's see what price does. I don't like that. Too big. All right. Could that be an entry? Could that be an entry? Might not be a bad idea. That might not be a bad entry. But I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna rush it. Let it play. We still got time. Let it play. Let it play. But that could be an entry. If we want to be wild about it, if we want to be a little bit reckless, that'll be an entry. But I'm not gonna go for it. I'm gonna wait for it to come back. That could be an entry if you really wanna be early about it, you could go there. But since already we have made profit, we're not gonna take less probability stuff with higher reward. Always remember that trade-off, a trade-off of probability and reward, right? We're not gonna do it. We're just not gonna do it. We are already in profit. We're not gonna take that huge boy, oh boy. That's a 1 to 5 right there. Yep. I'm not gonna be in a hurry, I'll tell you. I like it. You see what I said? We're just not gonna be in a hurry. Everything is aligning, but right now is timing. Timing is of essence. Timing is everything right now. Timing is everything. Yeah, we're not gonna be in a hurry. We're not gonna be in a hurry. A lot of misdirection is happening today. A lot of things, a lot of plot twists. So we gotta be careful. We gotta be extremely careful today. We gotta be extremely careful. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, luckily we're not in a hurry. I said we're not gonna be in a hurry. We're not gonna be in a hurry. There's a lot of plot twists. It's a lot of plot twists. Nothing was clear yet. The market is gonna go down still from there, but it's not gonna make it easy. It's still grabbing all the liquidity. It's aware that the liquidity resting here and here. It's grabbing this. It might grab that, and yeah, that's why we are not doing anything. Nothing yet. And we are creating higher highs. Interesting. Yeah. Maybe it was just a plot twist. We couldn't rate it, but it wasn't too clear today. I'll tell you that. It wasn't too clear. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Apparently, we couldn't see that. I'll zoom. We couldn't catch that. A little bit tricky market environment. Tricky. A little bit too tricky. We didn't catch it.